Copy is now considered as an original.
Ang photocopies ay tinutukoy sa batas. Sa impeachment trial, binanggit ni Attorney Ligutan na ang photocopies are considered originals. Ang dami nag-react. Pero, alam nyo ba na tama si Attorney Ligutan? Sa mata ng batas, ang photocopies ay admissible in evidence, the same as originals. Supreme Court mismo ang nagsabi niyan sa kaso ng People versus Lastimosa na dinesisyonan noong February 3, 2025. According sa SC, a photocopy being a duplicate is admissible to the same extent as the original, absent any question of genuine question of authenticity or a showing that it is unjust or inequitable to admit a duplicate in lieu of the original. Kaya yung mga nagsasabi na mali daw si Attorney Ligutan, mukhang hindi nabasa na ang jurisprudence. Bago kasi mag-react, alamin muna ang batas.